Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things related to building successful online businesses. Today, we're diving into a popular debate in the e-commerce world: affiliate marketing versus dropshipping. Which one is better? Well, stick around as we weigh the pros and cons, uncover the key differences, and help you make an informed decision. So, let's get right into it. Segment 1. Exploring affiliate marketing. Let's kick things off by diving into the world of affiliate marketing. In this model, you act as a middleman, promoting products or services on behalf of other companies. As an affiliate marketer, you earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. One of the major advantages of affiliate marketing is the low entry barrier, as you don't need to invest in inventory or handle customer support. You focus on marketing and driving traffic, while the product fulfillment is handled by the merchant. This flexibility allows you to explore a wide range of niches and products. However, keep in mind that you have limited control over the product itself and the customer's buying experience. Segment 2. Unveiling the world of dropshipping. Now, let's shift gears and explore dropshipping. With dropshipping, you run your own online store, but you don't hold any physical inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you forward it to a supplier or manufacturer who ships the products directly to the customer's doorstep. This means you don't have to worry about inventory management or shipping logistics. Dropshipping offers a high level of flexibility, allowing you to curate your product selection and control the customer experience. However, keep in mind that you'll need to invest time and effort into finding reliable suppliers, managing inventory availability, and handling customer support. Segment 3. The pros and cons. Now that we've explored the basics of both affiliate marketing and dropshipping, let's dive deeper into the pros and cons of each. Segment 4. Which is better for you? So, which path should you choose? Well, the answer ultimately depends on your goals, preferences, and resources. Affiliate marketing might be a great fit if you prefer a lower risk approach, have limited startup capital, and enjoy focusing on marketing and content creation. On the other hand, if you're eager to build your own brand, have more control over the product selection, and are willing to invest time into managing your store, dropshipping could be the way to go. That wraps up our discussion on the debate between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Take the time to assess your strengths, resources, and long-term goals before making a decision. Whether you choose to become an affiliate marketer or venture into dropshipping, keep learning, testing, and refining your strategies. And as always, stay tuned to our channel for more insights and tips on building a successful online business. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring!